This is a love reading for you Pisces from March to April. In this reading, I am doing a heart-shaped spread where on my left are the cards for you Pisces and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest if you are married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Now please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Pisces and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you're coming from? And what is the past your partner is coming from, and this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. There is a very strong distinct difference in outlook the two of you have. So Pisces, you are feeling very empowered, very strong, as if you can solve any situation that is presented to you very beautifully and you can make success out of just about anything that is laid out in front of you. So I am seeing someone with so much faith and belief and positivity, and your partner, on the other hand, is focusing more on the negatives of what can go wrong, of how something will not work out because the situation is so difficult. You see, this is a infinity symbol on your head, Pisces, which means you're believing in the possibilities of how else, what more can be done and situation can be improved. And this is a energy of a reverse star, which means hopelessness. So your partner's outlook for some reason is very negative or hopeless. Now, maybe something has happened, the situation may be very difficult, and your partner is feeling the two of you are not able to spend enough time together, and he or she is feeling they cannot be with you despite them wanting it so badly. So it's quite possible that your partner is being restricted, maybe their ex is bothering them, or maybe your partner has some financial situation which they may not have told you about. There is something your partner feels is holding them back from making this love relationship truly happy and working for them. So while you're so cheerful and positive, your partner is very feeling limited and hopeless in the whole situation. So maybe as a partner, you should let some positivity rub on you from Pisces and maybe just start to look at brighter things as in how you approach them. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring, Pisces, and what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? You know, with these cards, you can just motivate any random person also walking on the street by just saying some very positive words. I see one more infinity symbol. Now, you know, your heart is full of possibilities and amazing amount of love, and your mind is also full of possibilities and great amount of opportunities. So your mind and heart are so, there is so much courage and love in you that you know that no matter how difficult something is, if it cannot be worked out mentally, it can always be won over with lot of love and soft strength. You know, these are energies of someone who's just figured and worked on themselves. So, you know, Pisces, some of you have spent a lot of time to build your core, and success will never be difficult for you. I'm already seeing that you're very successful with these energies. And should there be anything very, very challenging or impossible for a regular person, that is not the case for you. You will just create success as in what you do and touch. This is almost like a golden touch. Very great and beautifully worked up energy for you. And you have spent a lot of time thinking and finding solutions on how something can be built and created. So, as a partner, you are dating or you're in love with someone who's very, very credible. And day in, day out, if you're with this person, you should just let go of your old self and let this energy flow into you. So, this is going to do a world of good because as I see your strength or challenges, you're trying too hard as a partner to make things work and happen. You see, you are wearing a gear, you are sitting on a horse, there is a weapon in your hand, trying to win over some situation with lot of tools and resources. But here is Pisces and purely with bare hands and no mode of transport or weapon. He or she is dealing with the lion. So some of you just need to, as a partner, build yourself and find lot of faith and strength within you to deal with your difficulties. So you definitely are using all the resources available to you, but there is a easier way to win over and create success, which Pisces can tell you. So very good cards here. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, you see your partner as someone you're not able to reach out to, and he or she is very, very tough or difficult to deal with. So, it's just looking as if your partner will first punish or blame or accuse before they will listen and understand. So that's how you're feeling about your partner, Pisces. Now, if you are this partner, I'm just seeing an energy of someone who's just trying too hard. So you first want to get very gentle and start to just connect with yourself so that this energies will ease up. All your cards are just telling me immense struggle for whatever reason. You're just struggling day in, day out. And Pisces can see that, and instead of asking for help and probably just opening up, some of your if you see this queen is looking the other side, her back is to her partner, her or him. So you need to first start to talk as a partner and let your weapons guards down. Don't be so up high and worked up that you first say something sarcastic or mean, or you're too quick to judge. Don't judge too quickly as a partner. Give a fair hearing or listen to a person. Even if you feel they have done something wrong, hear them out. Listen to whatever their explanation is and then decide. I'm just seeing someone who will first punish or hang the person and then try to figure out if they did the right thing. So as a partner, you're coming across as a little bit difficult, and Pisces is just not able to communicate with you. But given the great amount of strength, inner strength and mental strength Pisces has, they can find a solution and work it out. But why would someone want to spend so much time with a partner who's acting so difficult? So you don't want to be this partner and miss out on the love as a partner, yeah. So you need to just calm down, bring a lot of peace in your mind and heart, and then start to open up. How do you see your partner? How do you see Pisces? Now, as a partner, you're seeing Pisces as someone who does their own thing, doesn't discuss, doesn't open up, and decides everything in isolation. You cannot be more wrong. You're very, very wrong about Pisces. This is not Pisces. He or she has no guards up. They are not holding any weapons whatsoever. They are not, keeping you away. So if you feel that Pisces has guards up or doesn't let you speak or doesn't hear what you have to say or doesn't see the picture entirely, you're amazingly mistaken. So some of you, I'm just saying there is a great deal of probably thinking, overthinking, which may be going on with you. So just take a day at a time, go easy on yourself, and then this relationship should start to develop. Right now, I'm just seeing great conflict, and there is no reason for conflict. It's just a difference of outlook the two of you are having right now, and you are not approachable as a partner. Maybe you see, maybe Pisces wants to talk to you, but your back is turned to Pisces, so you're not even listening, you're not even paying attention. So a bit of a correction here. What is the hope or fear, Pisces, you have about this relationship or this partner in the future? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? So, Pisces, you're very, very convinced that this is the relationship to be in, and whatever the difficulties are going on are all momentary and nothing that you cannot deal with. So, you're feeling very blessed. You feel you have met this partner after a long time, and this is a energy of true love and being blessed from higher energy. So you're feeling all the love, you're feeling all the positivity, and it's all coming from who you are as a person. Because I'm just saying you're not able to get the grasp of the real situation is not as positive and green as you're thinking it to be, Pisces. Some of you need to take in the red flags. If your partner is not responding, not talking, not telling you anything, you need to start to address that rather than keep thinking that this relationship will work out. It is very positive and it's all minor. It may not be minor after all. So there is some kind of a notice you should take about the red flags that you're seeing in the relationship right now. So what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? I am just seeing so many swords here. So either your partner is just struggling with communicating with you, or he or she just has an mind which is on the overdrive and they're just not able to rest, and he or she is doing just too much of overthinking. Also there is just too much stress in their situation. So maybe it is a job situation, but your partner feels that they are not being supported, they are not being helped, and in the future energy, your partner feels, Pisces, that this is becoming more like a mental prison for them. So your partner is not really very happy about how things are in the relationship. And as a partner, you may first want to just change your outlook, become a little bit more hopeful and positive, and then look at everything. But with the current energies, you're seeing that you're going to be almost a prisoner in this relationship, and there is nothing to enjoy, there is no joy. So, very challenging card I see for you as a partner you're seeing in the future with this part with the Pisces and this relationship. So you're struggling in the relationship for whatever reason as a partner, and things are, and maybe you have just complicated things when so much is not required, such complication is not required. So some of you just want to go and take some kind of a solo trip, just connect back with yourself and then come and look at everything in a very neutral way. So what is the past you are coming from, Pisces, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So in the past energy, I'm seeing that you have worked very hard, Pisces, and this cards already told me that you're someone very successful, or even if you were get trying to be there or get to that success, you were very close. So when someone his mind is so clear and so geared towards success and possibilities, and their heart is also so tuned in, it's just telling me that you are successful. So in the past energy, I'm seeing you have created immense wealth and success for yourself. You have worked hard and you have a lot to show for. So you may be an envy to a lot of people, and people just look up and admire how well you have created your life situation. What is the past your partner is coming from? Well, your partner is someone who's just worked day in, day out, and it's just about struggling to meet their expenses, get about their routine, and just about making enough. But they do have enough to show for. So your partner may have a lot of respect amongst their colleagues for all the hard work, but I'm just saying this is also a partner who's not doing much of smart work either. So they're just struggling with their situation right now. So as a partner, you can just make your life very easy. Take in a lot of energy or vibe from Pisces, and things will start to improve for you. Right now, your outlook is doing a lot of damage to you. And if you have some complaints with Pisces, you should totally open up because Pisces is very positive and solid about the future and you. As a partner, you need to either speak up, clear the air, and start to enjoy being in the relationship. Right now, you're neither enjoying, you're just struggling. And I don't know what is going on with your overall situation because you are also pinning some blame on Pisces for not understanding you, for not listening out or not seeing things as they are. So, what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? This relationship has lot of promise. So, there is a great success which is waiting provided the two of you can spend time understanding each other. So, take a day at a time. And this relationship is being blessed with higher gods. So, Pisces is very correct and spot on in understanding that this relationship is meant to be, but you seem to struggle or you are way behind in the relationship, so you need to catch up as a partner. I do see a lot of success, but there needs to be more emotional connect for this relationship to deepen and move forward. So maybe the two of you should start to talk. Now, this is how your reading is looking, Pisces, from March to April.